Hello and welcome to the topic clipping as one of the word formation processes. Clipping. Clipping is the process whereby new words are formed by shortening other words. That is, by eliminating the initial part, the last part, or both parts of those words. Examples of clipping. Phone from telephone. The initial part is eliminated. Plane from airplane. The initial part is eliminated, removed. Ad from advert or from advertisement. This initial part is taken and the last part is eliminated. Exam from examination. The last part is eliminated. Exam. Flu from influenza. The initial part and the last part are eliminated and the middle part is taken. Fridge, especially British English, it is used. From refrigerator, we have the fridge, but in order to suit the requirement, we have added D and it becomes fridge. Attention, remember that the short form or clipping represents the word in its entirety. Also, the clipping may not be used in the same context as the longer word. For example, the word exam is mostly used to refer to academic examinations or tests, not to be used for medical examinations or checkups. Tone of informality. Clipped forms generally show a certain tone of informality which is often reflected in their spellings. For example, showbiz for show business, because when you speak fast you just skip ba sound. Cause or cause for because, perhaps for perhaps. Note about clipping. Note that in some cases the spelling is adapted to suit the pronunciation of the original word. For example, mic as in mic for microphone, mic with capital letter as Mike for Michael, name of person, narc as narc for narcotics, bike as bike for bicycle. Thank you and goodbye.